For number 18, we're asked to figure out which of these statements is incorrect. So if I look at my picture, the first thing I notice is that this triangle has two congruent angles. Angle F is the same as angle E. So since it has two congruent angles, I know that this is an isosceles triangle because every isosceles triangle has two congruent angles, and therefore it also has two congruent sides. Where are the congruent sides? If I add tick marks to the congruent angles and arrows, they point to the two congruent sides. So this side length is exactly the same as this side length. Therefore, if this right-hand side, DE, is 40, then 8x minus 24 is also 40. So I can actually solve for x. So 8x minus 24 is equal to 40. So to solve, I would add 24 to both sides. So I get 8x is equal to 64. And if I divide by 8, I get x is equal to 8. So answer choice C is actually true. So I'm going to cross that out because we're looking for the false statement. So if I look at my other choices, they also name DF, answer choice D. They say that's also 40. And we already identified that DE and DF are exactly the same. So I agree. This is also true. So we're going to cross that out because both side lengths, DE and DF, are 40. So let's take a look. It suggests in answer choice A that FE is 58 units. So if I look at FE, I notice that it's an expression, 6x plus 10, but I already know what x is equal to, so I could just plug it in. So 6 times 8 plus 10 would be 48 plus 10, which is 58. So again, we have another true statement, so that cannot be selected. Therefore, DE, which clearly is not 58 units, it is clearly 40 units. That would be our incorrect answer here.